Hey guys, my name is Ingrid and welcome to I Think It. A few hours ago, I asked on my Instagram stories whether you would like me to do a vegan makeup tutorial or a vegan recipe video. A lot of you voted for, as you can see on the screen, for a vegan makeup tutorial. So today I am going to show you how I do my full face with cruelty-free makeup products that are also going to be gluten-free and soy-free. Let me start with what I do first. I use foundation. So I bought this foundation. It's called Use Beauty. I thought it was really interesting. It's literally the only one that is going to be allergen free in the market. It is cruelty free, but also instead of using water, it uses aloe vera. Sadly, I believe they only have like 4 or 5 shades, which is not that inclusive. And even this one, it's a little darker for my skin tone, but this is the lightest one that they have. So I'll just go with this. It's natural tan. So I'm just gonna apply this one in my face. And then I use my beauty blender. So since I told you that mine is a little darker, I like to apply some under my chin and also in my neck so it blends in. That way I feel like I don't look that yellowish. Alright, so once I've added the foundation in my face, I go ahead and use the contouring stick. So this one is from Wet n Wild. It's actually super cheap. It's like less than $5, I believe. They are actually vegan, so it's really nice. It's a nice, cheap company, to be honest. I have a few products from them. And blending everything. I have like this fishy brush, which I love. It's pink. This one's from Tarte. I got it a few years ago and honestly, I love it. When it comes to my nose, I try to be a little careful. But even if you don't contour it correctly, you can still fix it with the concealer. So it's all good. And then a little bit in my chin. So I feel like my lips are already full. But if you put some, as you see, some contouring underneath your bottom lip, then it's gonna look a little bigger. For the eyes, I have a little trick. Honestly, I'm not the best at applying eyeshadow, so that's why I use tape. This one's pink, cute and pretty. So I just added, we'll add it right here. And then I'll add some more on the other side. This one is from BoxyCharm. It is actually cruelty-free, is gluten-free, which is nice. It has no soy. So sometimes you gotta be careful. One thing I did not mention is that your foundation has soy. So you gotta read all the ingredients to make sure that it doesn't. Because if you react to soy the way that I do, then your face is going to be swollen all the time. That was my case, especially like under my eyes, which I had no idea was because of my foundation. Things that you learn with allergies. But anyways, this is how it looks. So it has a few cute shades that I can use. I'm going to use this one that is called BFF from the outer side of my crest. Once I've applied this in my crest, I also go ahead and add a lighter shade in this inner side, like this inner corner over here. So I'm going to use the shade called Babe. Now I'm going to finish it with the shade called Perfect, which is like a lighter shade. See, like it's super cute. Go ahead and gently remove your tape. So you can see it looks perfect. And now do the same for the other side. So now that I've done the eyeshadow, this is when I actually apply the concealer. Because I feel like now it's the perfect time in case that you accidentally get a little bit of pink eyeshadow underneath your eyes. If you have it mixed with your concealer, then everything's gonna end up being pinkish, and I don't like it. Like, I love pink, you know, but I love a clean makeup look. And also I like to add a little bit. Okay, so what I honestly love to do next is getting my eyebrows done, because I feel like they're messy right now. We need to do something to fix them. What I use, it's also these NYX. So I used to be very obsessed with the pencils, however they have soy, and I react to wearing them. So now I've been just into this, what is it called? Pomade? I believe so. Yeah, so basically this is what I use, and then I just go ahead and shape it. This is the best that you'll get if you have allergies. It's the only cruelty-free product that you'll find that also doesn't have any of the allergens. So what I like to do is that I just draw the top part of my eyebrows. As you can see, I literally have nothing. So in between, like, my real hair and then the part that I drew, you can tell that there's nothing. That's how bad my eyebrows are. And then once again, I just draw the bottom part and I make sure that I merge them. So you can see, like, it is a huge difference. For the front part, I just draw the hairs. So now let's go ahead and do the same step, but for my other eyebrow. This one doesn't look the same as the other side. I usually clear it with some concealer, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. And I'll just draw it underneath my eyebrow, just to make sure that I'm cleaning it. And just to blend in everything, I literally use the same brush that I used for the inner part of my eye. So basically, once I've done that, I go ahead and add my fake lashes. Okay, so I add glue, and then I nicely add it. I don't know if you do this, but I usually just bend it, and then I just put them on top. Leave it there for a few seconds. And as I told you before, it used to take me like 20 minutes to apply just one eyelash. And now it's like a minute or so. So it's gotten a lot better. There you go. So I'm just gonna make sure that this one gets there. There you go. So we got it. Once I've done the eyelashes, I used a little bit of blush. So I have this one. It's also from Juice Beauty. So same, it's organic. And let me show you the color. It's like really pretty. That's the blush that I use. And the name, it's called Last Look. It's a cream blush. It's organic, so instead of using water, it uses aloe vera, just like the foundation. which it's a lot better for your skin. And after what I went through, if you haven't checked my health updates, so that is oh my gosh, I cannot even like see pictures of myself and how my skin was reacting to all the allergens and the eczema that I had. So after going through that, I just invested in better makeup that I know that it's going to take care of my face. And I don't do my makeup as often as I did before. Now I do it just for special occasions. And that way I feel like I'm taking care of my skin a lot better. But basically, it is a really pretty color. It's a creamy blush. Okay, so what I do next is my eyeliner. Now that my fake lashes are dry, I'm gonna go ahead and use the eyeliner. So the one that I've been using, this one's from Tarte. It's called Sex Kitten. They have pretty interesting names nowadays. And basically, it's vegan and really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same step in the other eye. Oh my gosh, you guys, I just noticed that this one didn't properly glue. There we go. That's when you can just adjust it. Okay guys, and to seal this look, I actually use powder. It's so pretty, guys. I really like this look. And just to end it, I usually just do lipstick. I usually put chapstick on. Also, read the labels. If you didn't know, well, you can like open it. And if you open it, then you can go ahead and read all these labels. A lot of chapstick has soy. So if you have an allergy to soy and then you eat, you might experience like tingling in your lips and also your lips with a little swollen. It's not because of the food, it's because of the products that you're using. So open this and make sure that it's soy free. Like Wet n Wild, it's a really nice brand. It's super cheap but also cruelty free. Hey guys, so this is the end look. I hope you enjoy getting to learn about my tips. You probably learned a lot about food allergies, especially if you have an allergy to soy. Make sure that you read every single label. And also, if you are into making sure that animals are treated the right way, make sure that you start purchasing those cruelty-free products. Honestly, a lot of them are really cheap. Like Wet n Wild is a really nice example of a brand that does not harm animals but also gives you amazing products. Like you can see this lip color, it's really pretty and it's like less than $2. So it's a really nice option. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. If you have a friend or if you know someone that might have food allergies and it's struggling especially with soy and wheat, make sure that you share this video with them, because I had a hard time trying to find products that will not give me any reactions, and now that I found them, I'm really happy. So if you could share that with them, make sure that you do, because that's going to help them, empower them, and give them just a better look, because from time to time, it's nice to wear makeup. If you enjoyed this video and you want to keep watching more of eye pinkett videos, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. It is completely free. All you need to do is click this red button underneath your screen. If you want to receive notifications every time I upload a video, make sure that you click that bell. And without further saying, I hope you guys have an amazing week. I hope you enjoyed this look, you enjoyed the tips, and I will see you next week with a new video. Bye guys!